So, hello students, welcome to Navika Educator channel. Today we are going to learn that a polynomial exercise number 2.1. So, last previous classes you already studied that the introduction of the polynomial, and today we are going to do that exercise number 2.1. So, which of the following expression are a polynomial in a one variable, which are not, and state the reason for for your answers. So, here we need to focus on only one variable along with a whole number. So the first equation is 4x square minus 3x plus 7, and here there is the exponent of the x is 2, the exponent of x is 1. So the whole number were presented in a polynomial, and yes, it is the polynomial, and one variable. One variable, I mean here x square, I mean x and x. This is only one variable which is presented in a question number 1. So question number 2, y square plus root 2. Here we are focusing on variables, not in a constant numbers. And variable is a 2, and exponent of the variable is a 2. So it is the polynomial and one variable. So question number 3, 3 root t plus t root 2. Here there is a simplification, 3 root t. Here we have to write like 3 into t to the power of 1 by 2. So t to the power of 1 by 2, it is not a whole number. It is not a whole number. For that reason, it is not polynomial. Question number 4, y plus 2 by y. Here after simplification, y plus 2 y and minus 1, and minus 1, it is not a whole number. It is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. The last one, fifth one, x to the power of 10, y to the power of 3, and t to the power of 50. Here it is the polynomial. It is the polynomial, and exponents are 10, 3, and 50. But it is different variables. Different variable means x, y, and t. These are the different variables which is presented in a polynomial. Now question number 2, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So each polynomial has a coefficient. The question number 1, 2 plus x square plus x. 2, here we can write a 2 plus 1 x square plus 1 x, and the x square coefficient is 1. Question number 2, 2 minus x square plus x cube. 2 minus 1 x square plus 1 x cube. The x square coefficient is minus 1. And question number 3, pi by 2 x square plus x. The x square coefficient is pi by 2. So now question number 4, root 2 x minus 1. In a root 2 x minus 1, here there is a no x square. No x square, no x square means the answer is, it is a 0. 0. So now question number 3, give one example of each binomial of a degree 35 of a monomial of degree is 100. So binomial means it is a one term. Binomial means there are two terms, and monomial means one term. Here degree is 35. Degree is 35. 2x to the power of 35 plus 1. I mean here this is called a binomial. Binomial. I mean it is a two term. And they'll ask a monomial of a degree is 100. 2 to the power of x, 2x 100. Only one term. One term. Term. So it is a monomial. Okay, so now next we will move on to the question number 4. So now next question is, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 1. If it is not there, there is a 1. So in that there is a 3 degree and 2 and 1. So x to the power of 3. Here we consider that these are called degrees of a polynomial. So question number 2, here y to the power of 3. Here 2 is a degree of a minus, 4 minus y. 5t minus 7. In that t to the power of 1. The degree of a polynomial is 1. So now here there is a constant term. If it is not there, 3 into x to the power of 0. So the degree is a 0. Degree of the polynomial is 0. So question number 5. Question number 5. The following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Linear polynomial, the degree is 1. Quadratic, the degree is 2. And cubic polynomial, the degree is 3. So here there are several examples are there. First, x square plus x, it is a quadratic because the degree is 2. X minus x cube, in this polynomial the highest degree is a 3 and it is a cubic. And 3, question number 3, y plus y square plus 4, it is a quadratic. In this polynomial the highest degree is 2. And fourth one, 1 plus x, it is a linear. So linear means only 1 degree. Fifth question, the 3t, it is a linear because it is the t to the power of 1. Sixth one, the r square, the degree is 2, it is a quadratic polynomial. And 7x cube, it is a cubic because x to the power x to the power of is 3. So now thanks for watching, and please watch our channel, and in the future there will be a sums are there.